Welcome. So in front of me I have the Galaxy Buds Pro, and I will just do a little test fit of a case, see how it lays on the case and how it performs. So yeah, there's the case actually. Now the company here, or from the company that it is some Ringke. It's really written weirdly. Obviously it doesn't really look like it's a US based company. Definitely not, based on what is on the other side, but yeah. Now in here we can clearly see that this is supposedly marketed for the Galaxy Beans, so the live ones, as you can see even on the image. And the ones that I have right here are the Pros, but the casing for those two is exactly the same, so these will also fit on the Pros. Now it also has an embedded writing right here, live a better day. Only a single one, so yeah, that's all we I guess deserve for this one. So let's pop it open. It is taped up, as you can see, right over here, and even right here. So let's cut it open. There we go. I think that's it. Yep, there we go. It's now. Well, this is pointless little pull. It has such a small place to grab that it's basically useless. But yeah, let's just drop it out. Nothing in here. And in here we got a hard plastic shell casing. I actually thought that this is gonna be a silicone based, but this is just, as you can probably hear from the drop-in, it is just purely hard plastic shell. And it looks like it has some weirdness going on to it. So looks like there is a hinge for this. Interesting design. And in here we got a carabiner, so yeah. Okay, let's just take this off. I'm not exactly sure what the purpose of this tape right here is, considering there is no adhesive on here. Go. There is no adhesive on here, so not sure what that is for. But anyway, let's just pop it on here. So I guess I'm gonna start with the bottom. Now let's pop on the top. Whoa! That's not the way I wanted to do it. Okay, let's try it again. We're actually holding it in place now. Okay, there we go, so that's on. Okay, so once you clip it on the hinges, it actually just holds well on here. As you can see, it is holding in here, so that's actually a fairly okay case, I would say. Now, I don't know how well it will work with dropping. It is not made out of rubber or anything, it's just hard plastic. It does hold on the actual casing really well. As you can see, it's not oh, I spoke too soon. I was about to say that it's not falling out easily, but then it just literally dropped out. Let's try it again. So I'm not sure how. Trying to see how it fell out, considering it is kind of holding in here. So yeah, the only thing that is actually holding this in place, just pointing that out, is those two little plastic, as you can see, edges right here. So this one right over here and this one right here. If one of them just pops out, so if I can actually get it off the lip right here, which I kind of can't for the moment. There we go. So it's off right over here. I think you can maybe see it. So I assume the casing, will just fall out right now because of it. So at the moment it slips off of that lip, it's when the case just kind of falls out. So I guess you probably should get used to just kind of squeezing it shut if you don't want to have it fall out at times. But other than that, it seems to be fairly okay. It's a hard plastic, so it will probably keep the casing really protected. But But you can also opt out for something like this if you are interested. This will be completely rubberized one, so a little bit softer material. Also holds a little bit differently. It has adhesives on here, so just a little bit of a different fit on here. But anyway, if you're interested in picking up this case, the specific one, it will be provided, link will be provided in the description, so you can pick it up through the link, which will also support us if you want to. So that being said, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.